If you're running a Shopify dropshipping store, you know that product research and data management can take up a lot of time. That's where SellerCenter comes in. SellerCenter's Shopify product research tool helps you find high-performing dropshipping products, analyze sales data, Facebook ads count, competition count, and export insights directly from Shopify, all in one place. You can check it out anytime at sellercenter.io/Shopify product. Now, once you've found those winning products, you might want to export them in bulk as a CSV file, whether to back up your listings, analyze them in Excel, or move them to another store. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to export Shopify products in bulk as a CSV file step by step. Exporting your Shopify products as a CSV file is essential for store owners who want to create quick backups of their catalog, analyze product data in Excel, share product data with their team or suppliers. Instead of manually copying product details one by one, you can export everything, including category, shelf time, titles, pricing, variants, and more in one click. Let's get started. Go to sellercenter.io/Shopify product and enter the keyword from any Shopee store to search products. Filter by multi-dimensional options like category, price, competition, store address, 7-day orders, and release data. Then, click Show Results, and you'll get a list of Shopify products. Just tap the Export CSV button. You'll find two options: Export this page, Export all data. Once choose the specific option, SellerCenter automatically generates a clean, well-structured CSV file containing all key product details, including product title, product link, country, category info, shelf time, prices, week order count, week revenue count, Facebook ad count, competitor count, and store link. Finally, you can analyze and manage the product data easily. That's it. With SellerCenter, exporting Shopify products in bulk as a CSV file takes seconds. No need to manually download files or juggle multiple tools. Everything is handled within one intuitive dashboard. So if you're looking to find winning dropshipping products, analyze competitors, and export your Shopify catalog effortlessly, try the Shopify product research tool by SellerCenter today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.